Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Coming here with another blog post that I want to take and share with you here with Clicky Web Analytics from getclicky.com. Now, I reviewed this over a year ago very briefly, and I wanted to make a more in-depth review of it after using it for last year. One of the problems with Google Analytics, if you follow the Google Analytics reports, is they only publish you your daily stats at the end of the day. So at midnight every night you can see how your website did. The beauty of Google, or of Clicky Web Analytics, is you can get live, online, real-time stats as to who's on your website, how your website's doing, what it's been doing throughout the day, comparisons of what it's done from today, prior, and going back in your history. So, and it's very quick to go through as opposed to finding through Google Analytics kind of rigorous and engineering style reports. So let's take a look at what's going on here with the ChrisVossShow.com. The beauty of this is, look at this, we can see that there's 3 visitors online right now. I can literally see who's online on my website. We can see the number of visitors, number of actions so far today. We can see the unique visitors, new visitors. We can definitely break this down into page loads, downloads, outbound links, etc., etc. We can look at some of the content that's been very popular today on my website. This is really great information because it tells you which your pages are hitting and becoming very popular in on a daily basis as to what's really working for you. We can see some of the links that are coming in, where the traffic is coming in from, different searches of what people are doing and where they're finding my information, traffic sources, where those traffic sources are coming from. And look at this. This is really cool. This shows the locale of a lot of the different people and where the traffic's coming from. Even going down into cities where I can see some of the biggest cities that bring me the most traffic to the Chris Voss Show website. So a lot of data that you can get right away, right up the top here. We can see our visitors, uniques, actions, times. The other thing is too is we can run some different comparisons. Here's a comparison that shows us how we're doing on a given day compared to how we did the day before, the yesterday and today versus sheet. You can also see here there's a today versus 7 days ago, last 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 180 days, weekly, monthly. This is awesome stuff for the day that you need to know as to whether or not you're improving the quality of your website and your traffic, or whether or not it's declining and you need to figure out why it's declining and how to fix it. So beautiful stats down the side here. You can keep a visitors log. Look at this. We can kind of see where people are coming in from, and it takes a log of what their actions are and what's kind of motivating them to come. Pretty cool information here. Action log that can show us some actions as to what people are taking and doing when they're on the site. Engagement actions. We can see engagement time, most active visitors. Gives us an idea of some of the places that are the most active. I mean, great drill down on this information and content that you could possibly have. Here's a breakdown in the full thing of the number of pages. We can do searches for what's got searched in here. This is really cool. This will show the platforms. Look at this. This shows the browser platforms that are coming in for the ChrisVossShow.com. This actually shows me how many people are mobile. Shows me how many are coming in from Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, and Opera. Pretty freaking awesome. Look at this. I can even take a look at what is the most popular operating system that's coming into the my website. So look at this. Windows 7 obviously is very popular. Mobile, it's the iPhone, of course. Mac, looks like well, there's only one Mac OS, and same with Linux. Screen resolutions. This is very important if you're trying to measure up your screen so that it fits on many of the common large screens that you have coming to your website. Now, it used to be in the day you make a website to fit a 1024 by 768 screen. Now it's more like a 1280 by 768. And then, of course, a lot of people have much bigger screens. You can actually see what the majority of people that are coming to your websites, what screens they're using, and make sure that your website fits with the modes of those screens. Look at this. We can even look at some of the hardware of where people are coming in. We get your Android, your BlackBerry, some Symbian. Pretty amazing drill down information you can get. Here's the number of countries and stuff that are coming, regions. We can see here languages that people use. This might be real important if you want to have other language availability on your thing. You can use some different Google plugins and stuff like that. different organizations that are coming in to your website. Looks like Comcast cable. There's a lot of cable that comes into my show. Organizations, we did that one. Host names, global map. This is really cool. Let's see if this will come up here. Recent visitors map. Look at this. We can see a map of the last bunch of visitors that have come to the ChrisVossShow.com. So pretty interesting stuff here. So what's going on? Let's see if we can get the last 500 visitors. I don't know if this will quickly get us. Wow, that's a lot of people. So you can see that. You can even program in here what you want to see for campaigns, goals that you want to set up. Let me show you something that's really neat that you can see here. Now, right now, it's showing we have 5 visitors now on the ChrisVossShow.com. 3 of them are in the Clout social media scoring post. 1 is in the What Is This post, and another one is in the Being Efficient Means Not Touching. Oh, looks like we have a new visitor, 6 ones. It's the Forbes article on Clout. So look at this, we're now up to 6, and this is live. This will totally come up. So we can take a look at, okay, it looks like someone here from America is at the 99169632229 IP address. They're in the Clout thing. They're using a Firefox browser in Windows 7 most likely. And we can see down here someone is from Brisbane, Australia. They're using, well, it looks like they dropped down to us. They're using Internet Explorer, it looks like, and Windows 7. So we're up to 7 visitors now. You can see where these people are coming from and get some more data on. Look at this. I got a whole thing. It's not wild. You can actually know what system people are using and get a good idea as to what version they're using on their computer. So this is pretty cool. We can actually look, and I can see that right now, looks like a couple people in Washington, somewhere in mid-America, maybe Chicago, maybe New York, and 2 people in Australia. I guess I'm really popular there. What do I know? So be sure to check into Clicky Web Analytics. Now, tomorrow and the next blog post after this, I'm doing a post about an iPhone and iPad app system that you can use to monitor Clicky from your iPhone and your iPad, which is really important data and really important stuff for you to be able to get a hold of. So you can sign up for Clicky.com or get Clicky.com. It's below this video. You can just click one of the links below. It will take you right to Clicky.com. You can sign up for either the free version or you can sign up for the extended version, which gives you this iSpy information and a few other information that you won't get with the free version. I would highly recommend paying for it. It's super inexpensive when it comes down to tracking data. And when you tie this in with an iPhone and iPad app, you're going to get some real rock and roll results and really understand what's going on more with your website. So be sure to check back to thechrisvossshow.com, thechrisvossshow.com daily. Bye-bye.